Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great. I have some good news for everyone, but only for today, guys. So you can see that maybe actually this month, or let's say this year, I've been giving people some very nice special all over the place. So that is going to end today, guys. But I'm giving you the last chance. So if you are in South Africa, if actually this is South African special, so you can join only today. Only today. I think maybe this will be the last maybe special we ever had. So you can join our lifetime signals for only 200 rands. Only for today. And if maybe you are in other countries, I don't know if it will be possible to send. I think it's gonna be $11 only for today, guys. It's not like maybe this is going to stay here longer. Then after that, then we going on our pro stuff. Then these are going to be our new prizes starting from tomorrow, guys. We work so hard. Actually, I seriously work so hard. So, and if you check our signals, we offer so much stuff that we don't actually deserve to charge the amount that we charge, and that's why I'm giving you the last chance. So you can see how I send the signals in the group. I will make sure I send the screenshot. I will make sure I do my research every day. I don't really just send the signals, so I make sure that everything is clear. You can see how I send my signals, and we already have like 300 plus people. So I think for me that it's a good number, or I can say it's enough. So if you are in Mzansi and you've been waiting for maybe to join the team, this is maybe it's the last chance. And I think again, this is actually to try to put quality stuff and quality, let's say, people who are actually serious. So mostly people, they just join, unfortunately, and most of them, they are not actually serious. That's why we actually change the prices. People who actually seriously trade, they can actually afford this amount. So anyways, if you want to be part of the team, then it's a good actually special for you. Then tomorrow, as I showed you, we will be starting from this amount. 6 months is 150, 12 months 250, lifetime is 350. You can scan the QR code or just WhatsApp me. And the mentorship program is also back. So quality stuff there, you can see 12 months mentoring. It's actually $250 only for the pros, guys, if you want to be a pro. So let's see what's really happening on the market. But before we continue or jump straight to the market, we can actually check what do we have. What do we have on the market? What do we have on the market? We can see today it's Friday. We have GDP from Britain and consumer sentiment later on around 5 p.m. So we don't really have much. And Powell, he was actually speaking last night. Last night, you can see that we actually do our job here. So he was speaking actually. So, and whatever that he was speaking, he actually pointed out that there is a chance that they're gonna increase the rates because inflation seems to be still very hot. And if we go on the chart, you will see that. You will actually see that. So now let's go straight to the chart. Let's go straight to the chart. As we start with DXY, what's really happening on this DXY? So I will just go on a 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. There is this flies. Let me get something for this thing. Hey, they are bothering me. Yeah, it's something for this fly. So I think it's gonna kill them. So we are actually on DXY, right? So the market seems to be going back on that uptrend. Why? I just told you that Powell yesterday he was speaking, and they actually on his statement, actually there was actually clues that they can actually increase the rates and not actually cut the rates. And that is not actually good for the market. So which means now the dollar, out of that increase of the rates, now you can see the dollar is trying to do what? To go back on that uptrend. And remember, few days ago, we were just talking about this breakout. We were actually expecting the market to do what? To actually sell. But it seems like that is not going to be the case. So you can see that now the market is going back, and you can see the market is breaking out of that resistance, or where it actually broke out. So this is actually a pure uptrend, which means other pairs like dollar pairs, they're going to suffer that, because now there is a hint that they're going to increase the rates. I don't know if maybe I'm gonna get that. Let me try to go on CNBC. Maybe we will get that. Let's see if maybe we get that. Let's go on homepage. Maybe Powell says Fed is not confident it has done it is not confident it has done enough to bring inflation down. Let me just click this. Maybe I will get some few points. You know what? I'm just trying to make sure that you understand what's really happening. Yes, we can do the analysis here and there, but you have to understand, guys. We have to just go through these things together. So Powell says Fed is not confident it has done enough to bring inflation down. You heard that, right? That is the statement. So Fed Chair Powell said he and his colleague remain steadfast in getting policy in line with their 2% inflation goal, but we are not confident that we have achieved such a stand. So actually they say whatever that they did by increasing the rates before did not really work that much. So which means there might be a room for another increase. So, and this 2% is very low, so it means they still have to increase, because I think the inflation is very, very high. So as inflation well above target. So let's see, where is the inflation actually currently? I think it is still very, very, very high. Let's see, personal consumer expenditure, whatever. So the consumer, whatever, I think inflation is still very, very high. So to go through this, you can go on CNBC, try to check that. I think maybe this is going to help you to understand why maybe the market is just selling. It's just selling out of nowhere, and I think this is just a nice indicator for those who actually understand how to trade the economic news, or just to understand economic news or fundamentals with technical. That can actually help. So, and we did actually took something there. We did actually have some trades. So that's why we see DXY doing what? Pushing to the upside, which means the dollar is still going to actually increase. He's been talking actually this week, but other moves were not really. Other times the market was not really moving that much. So yesterday there on JPY, I thought maybe the market was going to break that area, but it seems like nope, the market did not do that. It seems like the market just wants to actually consolidate, and I've been drawing that for quite some time now. So these other lines, they no longer matter. I just have to remove them so that the chart can be clean. So now we can see that yes, the market is actually it was actually on a downtrend, broke out, retest. Now the market is doing what? It's consolidating. Mostly the market will do this. Most of the time the market will do this actually. So after the breakout, the market consolidate before pushing to the upside. So I like the structure because I understand this. That's why I drawn that before the market test even both sides. So now I'm just waiting for the market maybe to break this resistance. Then I'll be confident to say, you know what, now we changing that. Already we changed the trend as the market broke out, but I will be confident to say now let's just jump on that buy and relax. And again, guys, I'm still last year we had a prime robot, and we've been actually very late on updating the robot because it was updated, but it was a bit risky. The update was a bit risky, but also making money. So now, before month end, we're gonna have another one. So for those who wants to be to get the robot, if let's say before everyone who purchased the robot, yes, they will get that update for the last time. So the other ones, they're not going to get that. So they will get that update. I've been delaying that because it wasn't really safe. And I know people, they'll say, just give me, but once they lose, they start to cry. That's why I was not giving anyone the updated version. So it is going to come before this month end, because I'm also testing that. So for those who wants the robot, Prime EA, yes, that is now available again, but we're going to actually delay you so that you don't really get a risky EA. So that is going to be actually $150. So now we're ready to work. It's December, we need to eat. So you also need to eat. So maybe you can have some extra cash. So now GBPUSD, what's really happening? The market is been pushing lower for quite some time there. The structure was very nice. The structure was very quite straightforward. The breakout is also straightforward. It seems like the market is back on this retest. I think maybe we might have some consolidation there before we see the market pushing to the upside. I think that is going to happen. Let's zoom a little bit. Let's zoom a little bit and see what's really happening. Yes, I think you can see the breakout there. The breakout, the market made a breakout around this area actually. So the market created a resistance on top, and the market is back on this retest. This is a very, very, very straightforward retest, and the market might create something like that before we see a push. But since the dollar is very stronger, I start to doubt this move. I will just have to wait, since there is some signals that the dollar is going to be strong as they're going to increase the rates. I start to doubt our structure because things might change, but I will wait for the market. If maybe it breaks this area, I will conclude and say, you know what, yes, it means that the dollar is getting its strength back, so it means we're gonna see another continuation of that downtrend. But for now, let's relax. But I like the structure. I like this structure. Maybe things will happen. Then maybe we'll see the market trying to push to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. I don't really want to make this video very long, but we're already on 12 minutes. So now we are actually also on EURUSD. What's really happening? The market was going down very nice. It was a very nice. Oh, I forgot that there is a video there. So that's why I hope I did not really cut enough chat there. So now on EURUSD, you can see that the market was moving very nice, going down very nice. Guess what? We had a nice breakout. So it seems like since the dollar now, since yesterday, is getting stronger, I don't know if we're gonna go back on this downtrend again, but it seems like that. But we have a nice structure here that it might support what we have, because we just actually broke out, and it seems like the market was just giving us this consolidation structure. So I'm just hoping that maybe it keeps up. Maybe we might see a push to the upside, because even though they're going to increase the rates on the dollar, and that is going to make the dollar very strong, also they on the other side, on the other side of Europe, they will still also do the same. So it's not like the dollar is just going to be strong against everything, because even the euro or the GBP or British, they can still increase their rates. So we might see there's some fight there, and it's going to be interesting. So, but other things like CPIs, inflation, that is going to change the way we see the market, because they might be increasing, but if inflation is going down, that is also a good thing. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So we will be having this yesterday I did fundamental Thursday. We will be also explaining another fundamental stuff on next week Thursday. So yeah, slowly we're gonna get there. Slowly we're gonna get there, and I hope everyone's gonna catch up with that. So let's push to the next one. I'm still actually bullish on EURUSD, but the dollar is still very strong. We will see. We will be just cautious with every decision that we take there. Now, actually, we are on gold. What's really happening? Previously, gold was pushing to the lower side. and then the market did change that. I think we have something. I think we need to clear this thing. So after that, the market pushed the upside aggressively, so because you can see the market was going down aggressive, pushing up aggressively. So gold has been actually acting some very tough on us, so we can't say we are going to take any gold trades until we get a proper structure. Where we are now, you can see that the market seems to be touching this area, and when we look back, that area, it seems to be something around that area. If I cleared that diagonal structure of our resistance, so you can see there we have something. So I'm just going to clear this and just enjoy monitoring this. I'm not going to take any trade. I'm just going to monitor every move before I think about taking a buy or a sell, because these moves sometimes they will end up confusing us. But it seems like the market is ready to do what, to actually push to the upside. Unfortunately, the dollar is getting stronger again. We will see if maybe it breaks this area, then maybe we can look for a sell. If not, maybe the market will be trying to push the upside. But I'm not really confident with the structure. Anything can happen. Anything can happen on gold, so I will just relax. But I'm just waiting for proper structure to happen before I start to draw my things, because if we start to draw, we're gonna have so many structures along the way. So at the end of the day, we're just going to get confused, you see. So the best way is to just relax, stay out of gold for now, then we're gonna see it later on. So now what's really happening on US30? Yesterday, actually later on in the evening, we did actually eat here. The market was going down, and it is still actually pushing lower. You can see the market, it was pushing lower. The market reached this level of resistance and also this diagonal resistance there, and we saw the market doing what? The market actually respected that. We saw a nice push. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. This is actually a swing trade, and I told my people in the group, I don't know if maybe, let me see, I don't know if I said it's a swing trade. Let's see. US30. Oh, I did not tell them it's a swing trade. You can see I sent the signal like this yesterday. Before, when I sent the signal, I also sent this type of a screenshot before the market pushes lower. I said sell 1 2 3. You can see now, if we go there, you will see that actually we did eat a little bit there. This is 4 hours time frame, so it's actually some nice pips there, or points. So I'm still expecting it to push lower. I'm still expecting to see it pushing even lower. So, but what do we see? I think it's quite straightforward. We saw that the market is been actually on this downtrend for quite some time. The market is been actually pushing lower, but where we are, the market, it's very interesting because the market just reached the resistance, and we saw what happened before. And once we check here, you can see this area, and where we are currently, that is also a very nice this aerosol thing, it's very strong. So you can see that the market is doing what? It's respecting that area, but it seems to be reversing a little bit. We will see what will happen later on, but we are still floating in that smaller profit. I'm expecting it maybe to continue a little bit. For those who don't know, guys, the market changed the time. Now the market opens around 4:30 in South Africa. So in other countries, I don't know, but just check that. Just check the time, and if maybe you are confused with that, you can go maybe on this trading thing, tradinghours.com. Tradinghours.com. Hey, this thing smells good, but it's very strong. So you can go maybe here, New York Stock Exchange. You will see how many hours left actually for the market to open. So if you do the calculation, if you count there, you will see what time the market is going to open, right? Hope you understand that. I'm plugging you out, guys, giving you some plugs, right? So on Nasdaq, you can easily see that also the market was doing the same thing. The market was actually on this downtrend. We just respected that area. We just respected this area, and I expect the market to push even lower. especially when Powell is saying there is a chance for the interest rates to push up as the inflation is still going higher and higher. And that for us, when we check the structure, no man, it makes sense. We are still actually on a downtrend, so which means we can continue with that sell. And for the last time, guys, for everyone who wants to be part of the team, only today, as we go in on our new prices, only today, let me change that color, it's only going to be 200 rand. So if you wanted to be part of the team, you can just contact me or WhatsApp me, 200 rand only. We've been doing this special for quite some time, making sure that people, they can join from different walks of life. So if you are a trader, if you want to be part of the team, if maybe you are not in South Africa, I don't know if you can able to send that, because I think it's going to be around $11. I don't know if you're gonna send that with what, maybe crypto. Some cryptos, they start from $50 going up. I don't know, maybe Skrill or PayPal, maybe they can send that. But actually, this is for the local guys who actually want to be part of the team. 200 rands until actually from tomorrow. We're going on our new prices, guys. We're going on our new prices, and we're going to stick to that going to 2024 as we upgrade things. We offer the service. If you compare my services with other guys, people who charge like 10 times whatever that I've charged there, they don't really offer what we offer. They are not even as good as what we do actually every day. They don't even actually do the daily analysis. You can't even get the updates every day. So it means we actually just shooting ourselves on the foot. So I hope everyone will appreciate that. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. I will see you later on Trader Nick channel, and next week we will be resuming on our channel on the live sessions. We will be going back on the live session around Tuesday or Thursday. We will see you which day, but as you are here, you're not going to miss those updates as long as you smash that subscribe button and you like, share, and by smashing the like, you're also supporting the channel. So anyways, for those who want to be part of the team, as I told you, as I repeat, you can scan this QR code, on the screen, or the contacts, or check my description. You will find my the link there, or the contact. So anyway, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.